Hi, hello, and thank you so much for joining me. This is Mrs. M, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so by hitting the subscribe button below. That way you do not miss any juicy cleaning business industry news. Welcome. Today I am going to answer a question that we've gotten from our Facebook group, which is, should I come on out and ask if and what the budget is of a potential cleaning customer? So let's ask that again. A lot of potential customers already know one thing, and that's what their budget is. Now, you may want to know, should you ask or should you not? The answer is absolutely yes. Make sure that when you are doing your walkthrough, when you're setting your appointment, if you are there, not on the phone, not once you're doing the actual setting of the appointment, you do not want to ask the budget then. You want to ask, what is the budget once you are there in person doing your walkthrough? That way you're building the relationship, building the rapport, but there is nothing, absolutely nothing wrong with asking a potential customer, what is their cleaning budget? Now, the goal of that is to kind of understand where the customer is. You will be able to tell immediately if they're cleaning for price, or if they're cleaning for appearance, or if they're cleaning for health. Now, if you've listened to my channel over the years, you know that I absolutely want you to price for cleaning for health. So make sure that once you ascertain what their budget is, you then make a determination if this is even an ideal customer that you want. If they're looking to clean for price, you can look at educating them so that you're able to move them up for cleaning for health. But I would absolutely not look at having an ideal customer as one that is looking for prices only. There is no way you can ever compete on price alone. So if you are interested in what I've just covered when it comes to bidding, proposals, contracts, how to build a system when it comes to cleaning, then make sure you join me for my absolutely new Masterclass. It is actually called Six-Figure Cleaning Business from Scratch Masterclass. It's an hour and a half long, and you're going to learn so many new things. One of the most important things is setting up a system on how to build a six-figure cleaning business from scratch. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe below on this new masterclass. And I'm so excited to teach it. It's absolutely new. Some different items that I've never discussed before, ways to actually get and attract more customers, how to set up a system. But the most important thing is taking you from 0 to 6 figures in under a year. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the Masterclass. Actually, Six-Figure Cleaning Business from Scratch Masterclass. I look to see you then, and until then, take care.